reason why people don't like seagulls. These birds are here all the time, and this seagull in particular always tries to steal my food from my barbecue grill, and I'm starting to get pissed off. So what I do is I grab something to scare him, not hurt him, and I do it like this. See? Gets him to move about a couple feet. I'm good. He keeps creeping over to the grill, trying to get a piece of my chicken. Ready to get the hell out of here. So I'm cutting up chicken, and I still got this guy waiting for me to drop something. You better get the hell out of here. It's gonna keep coming here. It's gonna keep trying. It's gonna keep doing what it does best. It's always gonna come back here, and it's always gonna bother me. I'm not gonna let it bother me no more. It's like a dog. Look at it, just barks. I got some beef fat, like right here. Okay? I'm gonna have to give it to this guy so he can leave me alone. He sees that I'm coming out. Watch how crazy this thing gets when animals go wild. Here comes the homie. Here comes the homie. Walking really fast when he knows he can just fly. Oh, it's gonna be a fight. So dirty. It's just a fight. Whoa. Jeez, I feel bad for that one. Being the good person I am, I'm not gonna let this guy go out. You little punk. So these two birds, I pretty much see them Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Same time, same schedule. And they keep eating chicken and beef, which is weird, and they seem to survive that. Birds are crazy.